This pendulum stone grinder Hk150 EXS for ferrous metals is especially suitable for hard, wide-structured cast irons. These are the automatic fuses for the three-phase motor and the separate exhaust and the halogen lighting. The main switch is put into position on. The halogen lighting in the workroom is switched on. The sample is fixed in a vise and moved under the grinding stone. The machine switchboard is placed in the upper left steel cabinet. On the right side is a drawer which takes the tools and special vices and magnetic plate. Down in the cabinet is a spark arrestor and the exhaust. A flexible metal tube feeds the glowing grinding particles into the spark arrestor, where it is collected and then discharged. Only the fine dust particles go into the exhaust. The standard vise takes samples up to 45 mm diameter. Samples of bigger diameter are fixed in a big vise with special higher brackets. Small cast iron mold samples can be fixed in the standard vise with exchangeable low brackets which come as standard accessory. If the samples are very thin, like this pre-grinded sample, the most practical fixing is done by a strong magnetic plate. In practical work, the left hand moves the sample under the grinding stone, the right hand sets the slight pressure of the stone onto the sample. Normally, the whole grinding time is a matter of seconds. Here you see the operation in detail. As the sample is always mechanically fixed, you always have a reproducible flat surface. Exchange of vices and magnetic plate is an easy job. Here, a so-called lollipop sample is placed on the magnetic plate. The stone is carefully lowered onto the sample. The grinding is done rapidly and effectively. Now is shown how the grinding stone is exchanged. This is a full standard stone of 80 mm height.